if anyone finds this camera after I go missing out here, it was this guy that did it. Hello? That's a fucking chainsaw noise. My heart is going at 1,000 fucking miles per hour, and all because... What the fuck was that? Hello? Anyone there? Hello? Someone's watching me. Like this, why do people do this? Why am I going into them? Come on, focus. That whistling went off again. It's probably just some guy walking his dog, but... Oh God. I don't even want to think about what the fuck I'd do if I heard that at night. I would shit myself. I'm guessing you guys definitely heard that one. Oh, this is a bit odd. See, I thought I saw someone down there, but I didn't, and I can't... That whistling was really close, but I can't see anyone. Like, look about, honestly, I haven't done any cuts. Look about, I cannot see anybody. I thought at one point there was 2 people down there, but that's just the way the tree looks. Okay. Well, I'm gonna pick that up and I'm gonna get going. Well, at least now if I get murdered, it'll be good YouTube potential. This is quite a nice location to film at. Very arrowy, if anyone's seen it. You know the scene where he runs through the trees? It's very much that. However, I woke up this morning, which was quite weird. Oh, well, yeah, I woke up this morning, that was quite weird. But, I usually wake up in the afternoon. However, as I'm getting in the shower, I start to realise like there's a stinging sensation on my leg. And I look down and there's like 8 scratches, like full-on scratches on my leg. So, I found that a bit odd. Right, I'm going to sit down for a bit because my leg is fucking killing me. So, yeah, as I sort of get out of the shower, I look, and I've got scratches everywhere that weren't there yesterday. I didn't do anything yesterday, so I don't know what I got scratched by. But it was fresh, because I woke up and they weren't there when I looked. So, that seems to be happening quite a lot. Oh, it's just nice to have that peace and quiet. But stuff like that's happened before with me, with the whole scratches idea. The whole stuff where... I've gotten out of bed and I've got scratches over my chest, but I've looked at it, it's not my nail width, they're thinner. It's like a cat scratch or a dog scratch, and there's nothing that could have caused that to me. There's nothing in the house that, or nothing outside as well that could have caused that. I mean, if I go back now and have fresh scratches, it's from the thorns that I've walked through, but I don't usually go on these walks, so I don't understand where I've got them from. There is another place just opposite this field actually you can go down. Apparently that's quite a nice walk, so I may pop down there in a bit. But this is... I needed this. This is just a nice getaway, you know. Oh, so yeah. I don't know, should I try and do... I was thinking, and my mum... my mum, maybe not so much my dad, but my mum would absolutely go ballistic. I was thinking about buying a Ouija board and doing it in the attic of my house for a video. Obviously it's a bit too late to do that for a Halloween video because... Ow! Because I've just had a twig go into my ankle. It's a bit too late to do that for a video, for a Halloween video anyway, because of the fact that it's the 29th now? Yeah, 29th now. And obviously I don't particularly have the money to buy a Ouija board off of Amazon. So... I was just wondering, do you guys think I should do it? Because if I've always been intrigued by the paranormal and the afterlife effect of everything, but I don't particularly believe in it. It's like my mum swears upon it. She swears that it's real because she had an experience once apparently, which she doesn't like to talk about. Oh, fuck that. How Slender Man is that? That's weird. Shall we go up it? Let's go up it. So, about a month ago, I was going through these woods actually, and there was some really weird shit happening. There was like people breaking branches next to me, there was shouting, there was a girl that screamed. But nothing came out of it. There was no police reports, there was nothing like that. Oh, this. I've got really bad vibes here. I feel like I'm going to get murdered on screen in a bit. I need to check behind me. So, just my head. It's just my head saying shit. Now, do we carry on going forward, which is pretty much same old, or do we go right, where there seems to be some sort of path? I think we both know I'm going right. Let's go. Oh, that's weird. Hello? Chainsaw noise. It's probably just someone like cutting down trees, but my god, I hope you can hear that on the camera. I think it's just people cutting down trees. Fucking hope so. However, how much of a den of killers does that look like? Focuses. Getting closer to it. If anyone finds this camera after I go missing out here, it was this guy that did it. Like this, why do people do this? Why am I going into them? Because if it is just someone cutting down trees, it's nothing to be scared of. But if it's someone with a fucking chainsaw, I should just go back. I know I'm getting close because I can hear the fucking engine rattling. My heart is going at 1,000 fucking miles per hour now, and all because I'm going to put this Go put this on here and make it seem like I'm taking pictures. Okay. Right now, oh god, no. Right now, if you look behind me, you'll see the wooded area. I'm not gonna lie, it looks quite tempting, so let's go. It's like Narnia. This is quite a nice walk. Whee! Whoa! That's a bit mossy, because I just went down, I just trod on that, I went straight through it. Oh, fuck my life. These are new shoes as well. God damn. Do you know what's even better? What's even fucking better, which doesn't paranoid me at all. Come on, focus. There's no signal out here. That's great. What the fuck was that? Okay, hood's going up just to look intimidating. Only joking, it's fucking cold and my ears are freezing. Okay. Hello? Hello? Why do I feel like I'm going to be fucking Logan Paul in a second? I'm going to try not to cut at all. At all. At all. Clearly people come up here. But what the fuck is this? The fuck? Come on, focus. It's just a fucking shopping bag, but that was weird. Hello? Anyone there? I'm going to continue heading down that way. feel like someone's watching me, man. So many spiders' webs. This seems like a footpath. Hello? Probably just my head, man. It's This seems like this has been a footpath, so but this is just, I feel like someone's watching me, and if anybody sees anything in the background, like here or anywhere, please let me know, because this doesn't feel right now. Like, I thought the area that I went into before gave me bad vibes. This is just creeping me the fuck out. So I'm gonna leave. Fuck this. Everyone always dies when they say fuck this in the films. We're back at Tring Park. No, we're on that little, what's it called? Okay. Okay, I'm feeling slightly better now because this is definitely a public path, but... Oh, horses. Yeah, now I'm getting the fuck out of here, man. Even now, at that point, I still feel like someone's watching me. It's not a nice feeling, guys, at all. That's because someone probably was watching me. Is that a kid's coat? Someone's obviously come out fucking then. Why would you leave that behind? It's like brand new as well. Okay, let's get the fuck out of it. People obviously come up here, but I don't see why you'd leave a coat that's in pristine edition behind. Fuck knows. Look up there. If this isn't a fucking death location, then I don't know what is. Hello? Okay. I'm hoping no one's watching me. If they are, please tell me the camera picked that up. There's like a little girl. Okay. Fucking hope we're good. I'm just waiting to see something fucking pop up over my left shoulder. Battery's running low as well. Jesus Christ. This is all horror cliches. Oh god, and almost tripped. That's another cliche in the box. That's another cliche checked off the fucking list. I'm definitely out of the toilet section. Fuck. Never stop. Another cliche. Never fucking stop, Craig. Just keep walking. Alright guys, it looks like it's going to rain, so I'm going to cut and I'll see you guys back at home. See you in a bit. I'm back home. I've just gone through all that footage and from what I can see there's no one behind me. But after researching a little bit, it turns out that the woods I was last in, apparently there was some kid that decided to try and get into the Tring Festival of Light early. didn't have the money to pay and had to climb over a barbed fence, which went terribly wrong and he got hurt, which might explain some of the noises, I hope. There's some there, like I didn't even realise there was a sigh at some point. There's one point in the video where he sighs, I think I've labelled it in the edit. But I'm fucking, it was like the whistle that you heard at the beginning, pretty sure it was just a dog whistle, I didn't think anything of it. And then I came home, went to the toilet, and my window was open, and I hear the exact same whistle. As in, like, the exact pitch perfect same whistle. So, I'm a little bit paranoid right now. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I want to add again that this was not a skit. This was not intended for Halloween. This was not a prank played by anyone, or at least not that I know of. I didn't intentionally go out there to seek this shit. I went out there to do location recce, which clearly didn't go well. If you saw anything in the background, please comment down below what you saw and when you saw it. Because my eyes aren't going to be perfect for everything, so please keep an eye out. If you want to, go rewatch the video and keep an eye out on the backgrounds. I know my vlogging technique isn't very good. I keep pointing it around like there and around my chest, so I apologise for that. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe if you think I'm worthy, and as always, I'll catch you guys on the next target. I can hope it won't be a haunted one. Bye.